Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, George! Merry Christmas, George!
Merry Christmas, movie house!
Hello, I'm Sheep Joe. I'm here in the warehouse, and they're picking orders everywhere and packing orders, and little elves are running around gathering things to ship out to every artist.
Fragile. It must be Italian.
There goes another elf running around picking another order for you, and let's see where this one's going. Going to Montana. Hey, Santa.
Merry Christmas, Joe.
Merry Christmas to you. See, Santa's checking the order and checking it twice. He wants to make sure it's just right.
250 strands of lights, 100 individual bulbs per strand for a grand total of 25,000 imported Italian Fuico lights.
We take your order seriously, and we pack it as well as we can, and we ship it out just so you get it just perfect.
What would you like for Christmas?
I want an official Red Ryder Carbon Action 2-inch range ball arrow.
No. Shoot your eye out.
We wish all of you a very, very Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year. I know next year is going to be great for everybody, and we're here, and we want to be part of your art. Merry Christmas.
The best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your friends. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yay, everybody. Yay.
Bingo.
Merry Christmas.